In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the simple steps required to create a purchase order effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the New button. This is your starting point for creating a variety of transactions within QuickBooks. Clicking on New will open up a drop-down menu with several options for your business needs. From this menu, you'll want to look for Purchase Order. Once you've found it, click to select it. Opening up a new purchase order form is just a click away and one of the most straightforward parts of this process. Now that you have the purchase order form in front of you, it's time to fill in the necessary details. Accuracy here is key. You'll want to enter the supplier's information correctly to ensure the purchase order is directed to the right place. Add the supplier's name and address, and double-check the details. After you've filled in the supplier's information, move on to the Item Details section. This is where you'll specify exactly what you are ordering. For each item, enter the quantity, description, rate, and any other specifics your supplier will need to fulfill your order. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any potential supply issues later on. If your purchase order includes taxes, ensure those are clearly indicated to prevent any invoicing discrepancies. A tip for ensuring accuracy is to have your previous purchase orders or any reference documents handy so you can double-check quantities or prices. Once you're satisfied with all the information on the purchase order, it's time to save your hard work. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see the Save and Close button. Click on it to finalize your purchase order. Always remember, saving your work is essential to preventing any data loss, so this step is crucial. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. That wasn't so hard, was it? Following these simple steps not only helps streamline your ordering process, but also keeps your records organized and accessible. By taking a few minutes to ensure each purchase order is complete and accurate, you're setting the foundation for smoother business operations. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Creating purchase orders in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process, and with a little practice, it will become an effortless part of your business routine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.